Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen and welcome to my latest listing. It's 1112 Beryl Street, unit number 16 in South Redondo. There's this charming courtyard entry and a really friendly community. So let's have a look inside. Walk right into the entry here. You do have the living space on this main level. It's a traditional floor plan. The bedrooms are together upstairs. And off the entry here, there's a coat closet for your convenience. There's a half bathroom that's been recently remodeled with beautiful gray and white finishings, a nice honeycomb tile, and a laundry room. There's plenty of storage there. There's even space to hang your delicates up to dry. You have these wide plank, rich gray luxury laminate floors. They're stored under the stairs, and it opens right to the remodeled kitchen with recessed lighting, gleaming white cabinetry, white subway tile backsplash, granite slab countertops, and this newer stainless steel gas range. The breakfast bar is perfect for casual dining and connects right through to the living space. There's a cozy dining room with an updated light fixture and a dry bar for stocking those adult beverages. Both the dining room and the kitchen are connected to the living space that has a gas log set insert into the fireplace and a substantial mantle. You do have newer Milgard window and sliding glass door that leads out to this special patio. Right off the living space is this inviting, sunny deck. There's redwood decking, very private, lots of sunshine, and it is west facing for letting in that ocean breeze. Follow me for an extra surprise. Check out this over 300 square foot bonus room that's not even included in the square footage. There's plenty of space here for your beach cruisers, a home office, and a home gym. And there's direct access right out to 2 side-by-side parking spaces, even more storage in this secured parking garage. The secondary bedroom offers a wood plank cathedral ceiling, a ceiling fan, newer vinyl windows, and plenty of closet space. The hall bathroom serves the secondary bedroom and is a 3/4 updated bathroom with granite slab countertops and white cabinetry. This generous primary suite, again, offers the wood beam cathedral ceiling and ceiling fan, and it connects out to this great west-facing deck. You can fall asleep listening to the breeze blowing through the trees. There is a walk-in closet here with built-in drawers and organizers. And a dedicated full bathroom with dual sinks, granite slab countertops, newer cabinetry, and frameless glass shower enclosure. So thank you for joining me on this first look of my latest listing. Please reach out today if you'd like to arrange for your own private tour.